Tired of typing the same responses over and over again? Whether it's password resets, policy explanations, access requests, your team is probably repeating themselves a lot. With canned responses in Plumsail HelpDesk, your team can now save canned responses and answer to commonly asked questions in seconds, saving time and boosting consistency and efficiency. Hi, I'm Borko from Plumsail. Today's topic, creating canned responses in SharePoint HelpDesk. Alright, let me show you how it's done. Start by heading to the settings panel using the menu on the left-hand side. Then click on the canned response tab. Here you will see a full list of templates already created by someone on your team in your HelpDesk environment. To create a new one, click on New Canned Response. Give it a clear and recognizable title, then enter your response content using the rich text editor, just like creating a regular email. You can even attach files like user guides or screenshots, format your message for clarity, and choose who can use it. That's managed under the visibility settings, and you can choose visible to everyone to share it with your team, or visible to me to keep it private. Once saved, your canned response is ready to be used inside of any ticket. Open a ticket, and in the replay editor form, you will see icon labeled canned replay in the top right corner. Click on it, browse through your saved templates, and insert the one you need, all in just one click. And here is a bonus tip. You don't need to leave your ticket to create a new canned response. Just click on canned replay in the top right corner, then add new right from the drop-down menu, and build your template on the fly. And that's it. With canned responses, your agents can focus more on problem solving and less on typing. A very handy feature often overlooked. You can always register for a 30-day free trial and test Plumsail HelpDesk for SharePoint yourself. There is no credit card required. And also don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We have plenty to cover on this topic.